today is 5 golden rings or 5 citrus swirls.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, day 5. Let's see what we've got today. Day 5 on Bonne Maman, but before I open this, Lisa reminded me that I had not been reading the insides of the alternate day 5, the alternate days on them. So day 2 was, I read day 1, the partridge, day 2 was 2 calling birds, I think, or
no.
2 tokens of love.
Turtle doves, it was turtle doves.
2 turtle doves, right.
2 tokens of love is the alternate one.
Yes.
3 French hens or
3 savory spices. It's 4 calling birds, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or 4 natural ingredients.
Oh.
And they're pretty well natural ingredients in all of this. So 5, day 5, 5 golden rings, 5 citrus swirls, or 5 fun crafts.
Ooh. That's appropriate for our Stitchmas calendar coming
Right, maybe I should open that next. Oh my goodness, this is so hard to get out.
Well,
But today's jam is grapefruit dragon fruit spread.
oh my, that sounds exotic.
Yeah, it does.
So another thing about 5 gold rings is, actually it probably isn't rings as in jewelry, but it's probably related to either the yellowish ring around a pheasant's neck or related to a goldfinch, because the first 7 days of this song are about birds. So that fits the theme.
Oh, it would, wouldn't it?
And also there's been something I've been thinking about all during this and haven't found any research for until today. And some people say the 5 golden rings are referring to the first 5 books of the Old Testament, the Pentateuch. And I had heard something about that before, how the 12 Days of Christmas has to do with the Catholic Catechism or something like that. But haven't seen any historical evidence on that. And wow, Mom is really struggling with this Bath & Body Works calendar.
Sorry. Sorry, just keep talking. So this goes with okay, I'm not pulling this out. I've struggled before.
Is it Vanilla Bean Noel again?
Vanilla Bean Noel, the fragrance that goes with the bath gel.
Great. We have a whole set now, I think.
I'll have that out before we
all
talk
right.
to you
So,
again.
while Mom continues that, the Catholic Catechism reference to the 12 Days of Christmas is not based in historical fact. That seems to have not come about until the 1700s, and which is later than the time they thought it related. So it's nice. I think it's nice that the 5 gold rings could relate to the Pentateuch, but it's not based in historical fact.
But honestly, it does seem like the goldfinch would be a good suggestion, because actually the first full week of birds, except for the 5 gold rings.
So it makes way more sense.
6 geese are laying and 7 swans are swimming.
And then this random thing in the middle. So I like that it's probably like a pheasant or something. But an 1864 version says it's hares running. Hares as in bunny rabbits. Hares running. I liked that alternate version. And thinking of Tudor times, you know, yesterday was Childermas, and the day before was St. John's, Feast of St. John, and so every day has had something so far, except for today, and tomorrow, and the day after. The 29th and the 30th have nothing. They're just apparently boring days in Tudor times.
Okay. Well, in kitty times, there's a nice soft
there's a fluffy ball.
A fluffy ball, yes. And it says in here, snuggle up together with a holiday book.
Oh,
I'm back at work, so I don't have time for any snuggling. But it is a nice toy for them.
I'll snuggle up with Tommy in a book.
You can snuggle up with Tommy, yeah.
Oh, and read the thing about number 5 related to the bag.
Right. So there's a nice insert in here somewhere. I don't know what we've done with the insert. Oh. Surprise!
I was gonna say, wasn't it the thing you just put back in the box?
Okay, so it says day 3's gift will keep on giving if you pair it with the items from day 5 and day 8. The day 3 was the foxy bag. So let's find out what day 5 is. I was looking for a white sheet of paper. It's the wrong colour. It's completely lost. Whoa!
This is quite a haul today. Is it yarn?
Beads?
Oh.
Wooden beads?
Oh, those are serious beads. Oh.
Some yarn.
Project number 2.
Some string, hemp
Oh.
cord. Some
Pom-poms?
snowballs.
Oh. Well, this is looking interesting. And hopefully some directions.
And deck the halls.
Oh, garland!
Make a garland with it.
Fun! Oh, I'm so thrilled. That's exciting.
I think Hobby Lobby will be our first stop next year.
Uh-huh.
At Christmas
Yes.
time.
Way to go, Hobby Lobby.
Yeah. Awesome.
Wow.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Give us a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe below so you can watch the rest of our adventures and have a very merry day 5. Bye.